Hi, my name is Akom and this is my video submission for SmartEdu University Students Development Program. So my biggest achievement was when me and my friends were organizing a prom night event for our high school friends in my generation. So the event was really huge and risky because if something were to happen, us the organizing committee has to take responsibility. So as the head of organizing committee, I've decided to make a really huge decisions to cancel out our agreement with Sofitel, but instead move our venue to Hotel Le Raffles. And we have really made the right decision because we have learned that not all of our high school generations are going to attend this event, despite it's our last memories we could have together. And it was true. So along the way, we have learned how to ask for sponsorship, how to create a ticket system to avoid frauds, and to make sure that all of our friends are aware about us making the prom night event for everyone. So yes, and we managed to generate enough revenue to cover up the hotel venues, the decorations and stuff, and also to be able to manage to generate some extra cash. And we decided to take those cash for donating to the coconut school, and we felt really great. And it's the biggest achievement that not only me as the head of organizing committee, but my friends as the organizing committee too, we all feel accomplished at that time really much. And then to the second question is, what motivates me as the leader is of course to ensure that our project are moving forward and not failing, and also to make sure that each of us are contributing and feel that everything that we try to contribute are worth it, and the project is come into fruition. And then what I'm looking for in this program is a lot, because from what I've heard, it's a really intensive training. So I expect that I'm going to face a lot of challenges and activity in the boot camp, assuming if I pass. And then I'm going to be able to diverse myself into many influential leaders, and of course through that I will be able to get advice from them, and also to get some personalized coachings to improve the things that I'm lacking as an imperfect human. But I also want to improve, of course, especially my communication skills and also the problem solving skill, because as a university students, I still have a long way to go in order to improve all of these skills, which is really important in my day-to-day life, as I believe. And it's also really important to any other people too. And also I want to get to know more about the digital knowledges, fintechs, artificial intelligence, the everything that is coming in the next so-called industry. So in this time of the industry shifting period, it's really important for us to get to know all of this stuff and be aware, and then get more familiar to it, so that we can also spread out the news and make sure that we are moving to the right direction in the near future. And that's why I believe these are what I need to know and learn in order to prepare myself in the future leader, so that we can improve our imperfect world and also improve ourselves, the imperfect human but unique. So this is my answers, and thank you. Bye bye.